get them to go back up, all you have to do is lock, and then you just wait for it to do its thing. There you go. Rear, front, sunroof. All right, that's nice, right guys? Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I got another video for you. We got an updated window module that was sent to us by Hirev Sports. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna install it. It's a super simple install. We're gonna install it and show you what it's supposed to do. So just a module to bring the windows up and down. Even though the Honda already has the down, it doesn't have the up. So if you forgot your window and then it rains, you're screwed. A little module from Hirev brings up your all four of your windows at the same time, including your sunroof, which is really nice. So let's go and do the installation. Also, a lot of you guys who watch my channel have not subscribed. Right here, boop, boop, boop. Hit the subscribe button down below, put notification bell on so you don't miss any of my video. Without further ado, let's start it. All right guys, I already took the thing out of the box. I want to show it to you what it looks like. So this is the new module that they have. This is what it looks like. It is very simple guys. So everything probably goes through here. I don't think we have to do any of adjusting of these little switches. Let me see if I can show it to you guys. I'll take a picture so you guys can see. It's literally unplugging the master switch, you know, flipping them around and plug this guy back in. It is super simple guys. All right, let's go and do it. All right, okay guys, this is one of the simplest mods you probably will have to do. All you really have to do is take out the master switch. There's a little hole back here. You just use your trim removal tool and pop it open. All right, I got it. Okay, slide it down. Okay guys, so the easiest thing you're gonna have to do, like I said, you take the big cable connector right here, you unplug it. All right, hold on. There we go. Then you take the new module. The new module get connected right here. Oh, okay, that's it. And then this other part goes right here. Before we do anything, I see a little blinking light right here, so that means it's connected properly. Now what we're gonna do, we're just gonna test it before we put everything back. It should be fairly simple, so let's just push this here like that for now, and then we're gonna test it. All right guys, I want to show you that this thing works. You know the car should already come with auto down. To get this to work, the window closer slash opener, so you got your key. You unlock once, hold a second, two. On the third, you hold it down, and look. See guys, all the windows go down, including the sunroof comes down too. Very nice, right guys? To get them to go back up, all you have to do is lock, and then you just wait for it to do its thing. I'll show you guys, look. There you go, rear, front, sunroof. All right, that's nice, right guys? And it's very easy to install, like I showed you guys. Let's take them down again. Unlock, unlock, hold. There you go. See, all the windows go down up here, and the sunroof. Okay, all right guys, I'm going to show you the walk away feature to show you that the window does go up also by itself. So let me walk away and then I'll show it to you. Let's go. All right guys, as you can see, it does work. Very nice. I like this one. Very easy to install. All right, so I'll show you also what it does from the front. Let me just take the windows down again one more time. So make sure you wait a second in between guys. All right, so unlock one, unlock two, hold. All right, see, windows and sunroof. Yes baby. Okay, let me show you guys the walkaway feature. All right, so the lights comes on, and then all the windows should start to go up. There you go guys, there you go. And then sunroof closes too. All right guys, that's it. And then your light should go off. perfect. Love it. I wanted to show you guys really the module. Is fairly simple. This is really it. This is the connector here, and this little guy does all the work. So guys, we're having an issue where every time we auto start the car and after that 10 minutes expire, the alarm will go off. So it took us a minute to find it, but we figured it out. So that little switch number 4 needs to be on. So at the end of it, guys, you should have 3 switches on: number 4, number 5, and number 8. All right, this little green light just tell you that it's on. Okay, so after it's working, just push the cable down. Now it's a little bulkier, but there's still plenty of room in there. Okay guys, hold on. Yeah, there you go. Still bulky, but it should be okay. Okay, pop it up. That's it guys. See, one of the simplest mod. It's all good. All right guys, this little simple mod is all done. You see how it works, so it looks really good, so I like it. Anyway guys, like and subscribe, comment down below, tell me what you think. Everything is going to be done in the description down below. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Until the next time, peace.